Happy New Year from everyone at the Met Office. Certainly the weather's going to be blowing a few cobwebs away on New Year's Day, a blustery day with a gusty winds. Bright spells for many, however, and most places will be dry for much of the day, and it is going to be a very mild start to 2022. There's a little bit of patchy rain around across parts of Scotland through New Year's Eve, maybe the odd shower for Northern Ireland as well, but the bulk of England and Wales staying dry, quite cloudy, and as I said, it is very mild if you're out celebrating the start of the new year. A bit of rain clearing away from Scotland by the time we get to dawn, so most places will start dry on Saturday, but with a lot of cloud. And again, the winds continuing to come up from the south and keeping those temperatures well above average for the time of year. We're starting New Year's Day in double figures. Also starting windy, particularly along the west coast. Very blustery across the western side of Scotland. Gusts of 60, maybe 70 miles an hour for a time across the Western Isles. They'll ease steadily through the day. We'll see this zone of thicker clouds with patchy rain working from west to east across England and Wales, but really fizzling out as it does so and arriving across East Anglia in the southeast perhaps late in the afternoon. Showers will keep going in western Scotland where it will stay windy, but elsewhere, say, much of the day will be dry and a bit brighter than recently with a better chance of seeing some sunny spells. That wind will be blowing the cobwebs away for sure, but it will also be continuing to bring mild air. Temperatures again widely into the teens. We could see highs once more of 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. Through the evening, that patchy rain could easily continue across the southeast, especially across parts of Kent. And then we look further west as zones of heavy showers come into England and Wales to start Sunday. That will clear out into the North Sea. But then look at this, another little feature that needs watching actually. Really nasty. This could have some quite heavy rain and some gusty winds that moves in on Sunday morning across the southwest and then spreads more widely across England and Wales during Sunday. Some uncertainty about the intensity and the exact position, but that could bring a spell of very heavy rain and gusty winds. We'll keep a mixture of sunshine and showers for Scotland and Northern Ireland. Quite gusty winds all the time, but especially on Sunday along the south coast. Still pretty mild, but temperatures just dropping down a degree or so, and obviously feeling pretty grim under that zone of wet and windy weather coming into central areas. Low pressure continuing to dominate, but in the outlook we will see a shift. We're going to lose the southwesterly winds and introduce the winds more from the north as we go through Monday and more particularly into Tuesday and Wednesday. A little ridge of high pressure should bring some brighter skies, but we'll notice the change in temperatures in particular. If we just rewind back to New Year's Day, very mild air across the UK, but things start to turning cooler through Sunday and Monday, and then we open the door to these northerly winds bringing much colder air by Tuesday and Wednesday. So quite a change on the way through the middle part of the week, but a very mild start to 2022. And watch out for some heavy showers, especially across the south during the course of Sunday. Keep up to date for the rest of the year by following the Met Office on social media.